Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about how I tripled my sales for my print on demand shop, especially talking about Redbubble and Teepublic, how I did for my Teepublic store. I'm going to talk about those things which maybe can help you in increasing your sales for your own print on demand shop. So if you're interested then let's get started with today's video guys. And also before going on to that part, I really consider clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate that if you do so. Now beginning with the first thing I want to tell you guys, when I got my first sale, I have already made a video talking about how long it took me to get my first sale on Teepublic and all that. And same for the Redbubble. If you want to check that video out, you can check that video out in the card section above guys. But in today's videos guys, I'm going to specifically talk about how double my sales, because in that video I talked that it took me so long months to get my first sale and all that. And after my first sale, in 2 or 3 months I was getting sales, but my sale wasn't increasing. And there was coming a few months when I was like a play-to phase, that I was getting very less sales, or maybe 1 or 2 sales or something like that, and I was like not getting that sales from my Teepublic store. So I did few things that really helped me increase my sales, that really doubled my sales and getting me more money from my own Teepublic store. So moving on to the first tip that I have for you is, double down on the design ideas, on the niche ideas which are actually selling for your shop. Let me explain you what I really mean by that. For example, for my shop, one of the most seller that I got most of the sale were the Photoshop textures. So I am getting more of my sales for the Photoshop textures. So what I did, I just doubled down on the Photoshop textures. I actually look for that this type of Photoshop texture is selling well for my Teepublic shop. This is selling well, I'm getting more sale for this particular thing, so I need to double down. I need to double down and make more of such textures related to this particular texture, so that I would be getting more sale, because I see that the people are coming onto my shop for purchasing this type of design. So if I'm going to make more design related to this particular design, then I would be getting more people coming to and in fact guys, that really helped me. Like the people were coming onto my shop for purchasing the Photoshop texture based design for different products. And when I'm making more such design textures, more such designs that are related to that product that I'm selling well onto the Teepublic, then people will be more likely to purchase from my shop and more people would be coming for my shop. And that same customer who are purchasing one product from my shop would be purchasing more than one product, 2 or 3 or maybe more than that. So that's the thing that I really want to tell you. Double down on the design or niche idea that's already working for you, because you know that people are coming for your shop for purchasing that particular design for that particular product. And if you are making more such design related to that for same niche and related to same design idea, then they will be more likely to purchase from you, and thereby you would be ranking high for that particular keyword onto that search engine, because your designs are searchable for that particular thing. And if you're making more designs, then you would be kind of like having an authority for that particular keyword on Teepublic or Redbubble or whatever print on demand platform you are using. Now guys, and the tip I'm sharing in this video is based on my own personal knowledge and experience so far with my own print on demand journey, and I see that it's working for me, so that's why I'm talking about in this video, so maybe it can help you guys. Okay guys, the second tip that I have for you is using the same keyword, same title, same description in your new design, in the new design that you're uploading on the platform. The same keywords or same title and same description for that new design as we're having that design that gets sold on your print on demand shop. For example, my Photoshop textures are selling well, so I use the same keywords, same tags and same title and description that was there before for those designs that were selling, and I'm using the same thing for my new designs. That I did because guys, because I already have an authority, I already know that this particular keyword or this particular thing is working well for me on Teepublic or maybe on Redbubble, whatever print on demand shop you have is working well for me. So if I'm going to use the same keyword, same title for this design, for the new design that is quite related to that same design, to that design that I got sold, I'm using the same thing, then I would be ranking more for that particular keyword. Now guys, for this tip, you really need to take into consideration that your design is similar to the design that you already sold on your platform. That doesn't mean you need to spam it. Suppose if your first design sold was in the dog niche and the second design you are uploading is in the flower niche, and you are using the same keyword as the dog niche and the flower niche, then it won't be applicable. You need to upload the same design related to the same niche and similar design, then only you need to use the same keyword. Keep that thing in mind, because if you are using same keyword in the different design that is particularly different, then this thing will never going to work for you, because people who are looking for the dog design, they will gonna search for the dog design, and where your design would be coming up as a flower instead of the dog, then they won't be purchasing from you. So keep that thing in mind, that this tip is only applicable if you're uploading the same design or a similar design in the same niche as your previous design. Then only use the same keywords, title and description. Otherwise don't do it, because otherwise it's just a spamming of the keywords, which is not the thing that I recommend, or which I personally don't do it. So why I would recommend to you guys for doing that. So keep that thing in mind, to use the same design or to use the same tags, keywords and description for the same design that is similar to the previous design in the same niche, and then only do that. Otherwise don't do that, guys, because tag spamming is not good and I don't recommend that. So don't do. Last but not the least tip that I have for you is, it's a little bit different, guys, but it really helps you a lot if you just do it the right way, is that you just need to promote more of your design which is selling well. Suppose a design that is selling so well onto your shop, if you are promoting it, if you are marketing that particular design only, then people will more likely to come onto your shop, more likely to engage with your shop and actually purchase from you, because you know that this design is selling. That means this is a high quality design. That's why someone is actually interested in purchasing that thing from your shop. So if you are doing a little bit more marketing and promotion for that particular design, you're more likely to get more sales. Now you could do the marketing and promotion either by the free option or either by the paid option, whatever one you want to go for it. You can use the Pinterest, the Instagram, social media. You can also use the Facebook groups and various different things to do the marketing. That is a free one. If you want to go with the paid one, then obviously you can try with the Facebook ads if it's worked for you, then Instagram ads or some Pinterest ads as well, to see, because you know that this design is selling. Because we only go into the paid ads when we know that this particular product is selling and people are interested in purchasing for this particular product. Then only we do the actual paid ads. If we are just doing the paid ads without knowing that this particular product is actually people looking for or actually want to buy for it, then what's the purpose of paid ads? So paid ads is only there when you know that this product will gonna sell, the people are interested in purchasing this product and they're gonna buy this product. Then only you're gonna do the paid ads. Otherwise you are just wasting your money by doing the paid ads. So only do the paid ads when you see that this particular product or this particular design people are actually interested in. They will gonna buy this particular product because they like it, or maybe some other reason behind it, if it's a trending design or if it's related to one particular occasion or something like that, depending on whatever the reason is. That means that this product is actually there and people are interested in buying from it. Now if you just pay for some money, like if you pay for some ads and give it a little push, then more people will be coming onto it and more people will be purchasing from it. I won't recommend paid ads in the very beginning. Don't do it, guys. You're just gonna waste your money because it's not worth it in the beginning. It's really not worth it, because you don't know that this design or this product will actually going to sell, that people are actually looking for it, they're gonna actually buy it. You don't know in the very beginning. It only comes out when you see that this design is selling, people are purchasing it and you are getting more sales for that product. Then only you know that this particular design or this particular product people are actually interested in purchasing it. Then only go for the paid ads. Otherwise don't go in the beginning, because you're just gonna waste your money in the beginning because you don't know anything about it, that this will either going to sell or not. So I won't tell you to do it in the beginning. I would say if you know it that this design is selling or this product is selling for you, then only go for the paid ads, so that you are knowing what you are doing and it is less unlikely for you to waste your money or something like that. So that's what I'm saying. If you know that this design is selling for you and you are getting multiple sales for that, you may try for the paid ads. Like if you are on the Merge by Amazon or if you are any other print on demand shop, you can try for the paid ads, for the Pinterest ads. Like you can just place your designs as a pins on the various different boards, and then can use the Pinterest ads, or you can also use the Instagram ads if you have an Instagram page regarding for that particular shop. If you have a Instagram page for your shop or a branding page for your shop on your Instagram, if you have that kind of Instagram page, then you can also try the Instagram ads or the Facebook ads. But don't do it in the beginning, because you're gonna waste your money, because you don't know that this design actually sells or not. So do a little bit of the research and then see if people are actually purchasing it and they are interested in buying for it. Then only go for the paid ads. Otherwise, don't do it, guys. I really don't recommend going for the paid ads in the beginning, because it's just a waste of money in the beginning, because you don't know anything about it. And there is more chances for you to waste your money rather than actually getting some profit from it. So don't do it in the very beginning. But if you're seeing that this product or this design is selling well and people are interested in more buying from that product, then only start with some small budget and go for the paid ads. Just do it on a small budget in the beginning, and if see that okay, the ROI is good and you're getting profit, then invest a little bit more money, and so on, guys. I'm not a ad expert, or I'm not a Facebook ad expert or anything like that. I'm just telling you based on my own personal experience and knowledge so far. But that's what I can say from this video. Let me know in the comment section below if these tips really helps you or not, or if you have some other tip that really working for you. Let me know in the comment section below, because it will really going to help other people as well, and really going to help me as well, because I'm gonna update it. I'm still learning, so I'm gonna learn more from it. And yeah, that's the way thing, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.